Hello everybody, welcome to the camera test video. This is the camera, the Canon R62. I hope this video is going to be 1080p. I haven't completely set up this camera yet, just trying it out. But if it's not, then don't worry, I will get that fixed. But yeah, this is basically the camera right over here. As you can see, it's got an incredible zoom on it. You can see far away, still HD. Quality is great. I already know this is going to make a great camera for plane spotting. So I'll let you guys look at the camera for a second. You can see the rust on that tank. It's pretty cool. Yeah guys, I really think standing at the garage for the runway 23 arrivals and takeoffs, with this zoom, this camera is going to be great for plane spotting. Let me show you around over here. You can read that says Panasonic over there. Take you over here. There's the camera right there. Here's a model plane that I unboxed on my channel. Again, outside view. So just to give you a good idea of how good the zoom is on this thing. I'm trying to look for something that I can really focus on, see how well it works. I can hear an airplane, however I cannot see it. Hold on a second. That'll be good if I get to get an airplane. It'll really show you guys the true power of the zoom on this thing. Yeah, I really don't see that airplane. I can hear it, but I really don't see it. So I might just end up ending this video. I'm not sure. You can kind of see it. I don't know if you can see that bird flying over there. No, you can. That's way too small. You can kind of see it right there. You can look over there at the roofs over there, covered in snow at the moment. So yeah guys, I might be going plane spotting this Sunday or this Saturday. Hoping to test out this new camera. Well, I'm testing it right now, but hoping to use this new camera for the first time for plane spotting purposes. But I can already tell I'm absolutely going to love this camera. I mean, the zoom on this thing is incredible. I've never seen a zoom quite like this in my life. But then again, I haven't seen a lot of other cameras at the same time, or camcorders. Look at that, you can see the icicles on that thing. That little roof over there. So yeah guys, once again, this is the Canon HF-R62. I really do recommend this camera for everyone. It is a little bit more pricey. Purchased for $405 at B&H Photo Video. Shipping was actually rather quick. I had placed the order Sunday night, so they packed it and shipped it Monday morning. And today is Thursday evening, and it got here. It was shipped by Purelator. And yeah, shipping's actually pretty good. They give you a really good protective box with bubble wrap all inside of it, and a lot of other packaging material like that. So yeah guys, this is pretty much going to be the video. Once again, I apologize if it's not in 1080p or 720p. I apologize, that means I obviously set something up wrong on the camera. And if it is, then I hope you enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be looking forward to going to the airport this Saturday or Sunday.